Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing to you guys about the penguin pet in your garden. To get it, you are able to purchase it from the Christmas shop here. It costs 500,000 shekels, I believe. And this is what it does. Belly slide every 12 minutes turns you into a belly sliding penguin for a duration. The penguin also belly slides from fruit to fruit in your garden and applies the Arctic mutation. So if you need the Arctic mutation on your plants, you're able to get it from the penguin from the shops. And that is basically it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and where is my penguin? And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all. His name is Juno. Sorry, that's like my favorite name ever, but yeah. Oh, there's Juno. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.